are finally about 30 minutes away from our final destination, which is Big Sky, Montana. It's been pretty snowy / freezing rain this morning, and the roads through here in West Yellowstone and up through the southern part of Idaho into Montana have been pretty nice. Thankfully, we do have our all-season tires, which are mountain and snow rated, so we're very glad to have that, but I know we are ready to be out of the car.
Like we were saying earlier to each other, we have been in the car for 24 hours of driving over the last week or so, which has been insane. So to stretch our legs and be somewhere for a little bit with my brother and my dad is going to be amazing. But we plan on taking you guys along skiing Big Sky, so we hope you guys enjoy that. And I guess that's where we'll pick you guys up next.
Hopefully we can capture the true beauty of this drive with the snowy pine trees and just everything that Idaho and Montana have to offer, because it is gorgeous, and even in the wintertime it is a magical place. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you on the slopes.
See you guys there.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 here at Big Sky Resort. We are on the chair now, heading to meet up with Amelia's dad and her brother. It is sunny, probably 40 degrees today. Hopefully that sticks around. The snow was average yesterday. They haven't had a ton here, even though there were some large storms that moved through this area. Everything seemed to miss this mountain, but we're excited for another day, and hopefully it's some good skiing.
It is beautiful. Like you said, yesterday we got to ski with them, and my dad has been skiing forever. Ty is also an amazing skier, which is my brother, so it's just nice to be out with them and do something different. Let's get after it.
Time to ski.
Tells me that doesn't surprise me. He dropped them. Say hi, Dad.
Hi. Nice to see y'all.
And that's Ty.
Hello, hello.
Nice Mowgli blue to start the afternoon. It's still morning. Let's see what Amelia's got. We're going to take a scenic ride up the newly completed Lone Peak Tram. It began construction in 2022 and just opened for the first time in winter of 23. It uses over 250,000 pounds of steel and over 300 cubic yards of concrete, and it is the highest scenic overlook in Montana. You can take either a scenic ride up just to view the top, or if you are an expert skier, you can take it up and ski some of the very intense runs down. Big Sky does have multiple triple black diamond ski trails that will start at the top of Lone Peak and work its way down. It is a truly unique experience going up Lone Peak Tram, and we are excited that we get to take you guys with us. So you can blame it on my youth. There we go. Like parking a car. Like bowling. Yeah. Made it to the top of Lone Peak.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is insane! Wow. Helicopter.
Yeah, helicopter, everything to get up here.
That's wild.
Very expensive.
That's why you pay for the
clearing
pass.
up. Yeah, seriously. Whoa.
Yeah, we can hang out a little bit, see if it clears out too.
11,166 feet. Crazy. Everything's frozen.
is 1,166 feet elevation here. I don't know if you can hear me at all, but this is the first year that the new tram up here has been completed, and it is crazy fast. There's lots of expert terrain up here that you have to sign out for. You have to carry a beacon with you, and you have to have a buddy skiing with you. So very intense. They take it very seriously, but this place is awesome.
Why don't you blame it on my youth?
My hair froze.
Safety first.
That's how cold it is. Guys, we were all the way up there.
Yep. Way up there.
Oh my god. That's insane.
Well, here, let me tell you the elevation right here versus up there.
9,005.
Right here?
My watch says.
Yeah, there you go, 9,500 up to 11,100.
11,156.
If you're good
Somebody
at
do the
fast
math.
that's a lot of feet.
Woo!
Here we are, January 24th, up here at Emmett, whatever, 8,800 square feet above sea level. Overlooking Lone Mountain, which you can't see. Here's your host today, Jefferson Gardner. Looking forward to a good birthday. Oh, my birthday's when I'm gonna leave. Oh, Delta Airlines must have a certain celebration. And enjoying all the family here.
This is my childhood.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, it's been a couple days since we picked up the camera. We have been skiing and hanging out with my dad and brother, and the last time you guys saw us, that's what we were doing. Unfortunately, my dad went back to Florida, so we're missing him here. But since there's not as much snow here, we figured we'd try something new.
It's been sunny and upper 40s every day for the past few days, and we did a little intro to snowshoeing course, and we actually picked some up for today, and it's been amazing. There is such beautiful trails around here, and we figured since they're all covered in snow, we may as well go on a hike and bring you guys along to show you this beautiful area.
Can't stop.
Oh, Also, we picked up Barkley some new booties so he can come with us. We do have his backpack in case he gets cold or just gets too far ahead, but he's having a really good time today.
They're funny. They're just like basically thick balloons, and he was pretty hesitant at first, but you can tell once he hits the snow, he's like, all right guys, it is go time. So he's got lots of energy. We need to burn some of that for him, and great way to do it. Someone's a little crazy right now.
Looks like we have a sled dog. As Connor was saying, that is in the upper 40s. We were just wearing long sleeve t-shirts, no sweaters, no puffies. Kind of crazy for January to be this warm, but hey, like Connor's been saying this whole time, if it's not gonna snow, it might as well be blue skies and sunny. So we're doing what we can and soaking it all in.
This is one of those things that we've seen all over the place as we explore all these winter mountain towns, and it always sounded pretty simple, and it's true because it is just as simple as it sounds. The shoes are less floaty than we both anticipated, so whenever you step into some deeper snow, it just sinks right through, but it's kind of a learning curve getting used to walking with them. Either way, we're really enjoying another way to get out and do some exercise during the winter. That's probably one of the hardest parts about winter truck camping, is the fact that it's dark at 5:30, and then you don't really have a ton of options as far as exercise and getting out of the camper. So we're enjoying this, and I don't think snowshoes are all that expensive. You can probably get a beginner set for around $100, so we may look at doing that since we're going to be in the snow for a little while. Let's go keep exploring this place. The walking part's easy. Turning around is definitely the hardest because these heels swing like crazy, so just takes some getting used to. Realistically, with the conditions that we've had the past week or so, we could be walking these trails in just our winter boots, but we don't have a lot of traction on the downhill because they're not really made for ice or really thick snow. So we like the snowshoeing, and it's really fun to be able to see Barkley running around. He gets left a lot of the time, especially right now while we're skiing and out with family and stuff, just hanging out. So letting him burn some energy is nice for both of us to see.
Nice. That smells so good. We just keep getting whiffs of like fresh pine and so nice.
Put it into a candle.
Call it Christmas. So we walked about a mile and we figured we'd turn around because Barkley is older and we don't want him to get sick and push himself too far, especially since we are in elevation. We'll keep showing you guys this beautiful scenery and just enjoy this new hobby of ours. That's how you snowshoe, right?